Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Great to have you here once again. Got a big surprise for you this afternoon. Oh yes, we need everybody here. We're making money, kind of, and we're losing money more often, and it's going to be a Martyn is late to the show. No, I'm spot on. I'm spot on. Carlos Sanchez, what are you talking about? I was spot on, as we are every day. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay, here's my portfolio. We're looking at it right now. Let's get straight into the trades and see where we are. This is our live situation right now. We're down 1.42 at the moment. Let's see how today pans out. We got a big surprise coming up for you in just 13 minutes time. We need to get everybody in the chat. I've got someone coming in today who has been the DJ for the Dallas Cowboys, and they are running a chain of restaurants across Texas, and nice, very, very high end venues, and they do big functions and so on. And look into your magic ball, Carlos. I will do that for you. And they're going to come in a few moments, and we want you to give them a great welcome. They might actually sponsor the channel as well and enable me to do more in-person live gigs. Anyway, if you're first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We're live over there on TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere at the same time. All right, that's great. Very, very exciting, says Mike. Yes, smash the like button. We want everybody in. If everyone could click the share button and invite everybody in. There's a special song coming up in 13 minutes time. We have a special song that we're going to put in the show for our guest. Very unusual, right? Very unusual. Anyway, if you've just arrived, click the Mr. Mini-Me and smash the like button. We've only got 7 likes right now. What is going on? How come we don't have as many likes as we do have live viewers? All right, let's go straight into it. Sign in. Here we go. The S&P 500 is up today. Look at that. The overall market is up. I am down because Tesla's been selling off all day, going sideways. Virgin Galactic, okay. Virgin Orbit, getting ready for the flight, okay. Looking good. Tesla is starting to recover. Did you get some shares this afternoon? Mark Korn said on Discord that he got some discounted shares at 177. Very nice. Stephen Lewandowski, I'm glad you've come into the show. I sent you a message on Discord. You've not yet got, both of us haven't got our $5 free gift from Cash App. You've not set it up yet. You've not linked your bank yet. So I sent you a message with the picture, what you need to do. If you do that, we both get $5. It's pending. It's pending, and it's waiting to be paid out to us. You link your bank account so you can send the money, and how you can use Cash App. I did it earlier on for our winner as well. Our winner set it all up, and he got his bonus, plus he got his cash prize. So that was very, very exciting. Anyway, let me share with you on the screen as well, Stephen, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. I did send you the message in Discord, but let me bring it up to you now. Invitation bonus from Stephen Lewandowski. It's pending. Yes, I read it. Note, and oh, you read it, so you know all about it. Okay, all right. So this is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at. It says here, look, pending. Quick sip of my coffee. Tesla's now coming up. There you go. See, invitation bonus. It says it is pending. Because you just got to click it and finish it off, and then we'll both get $5. It's brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. Anyway, I'll leave that with your good self. Right, so where are we right now? The overall portfolio is coming up. We're just a few minutes away from our star guest coming in. Very excited to tell you all about it. Just had a really, really exciting conversation. So let's have a little look. Where are we right now? We are at just under 178. But if we look at Tesla today, let me show you the overall portfolio. We're still at 44,000. Now remember that I've taken out my Bitcoin. So my Bitcoin is no longer on my portfolio. I said I'd never do that. I wanted everything to be here on the portfolio with you. But because of the because of the exchanges all going bankrupt and disappearing, we've taken our money off the exchange of Robinhood. So I don't think that's going to happen to Robinhood, but I'm just relaying to you why it's a little bit down today. Anyway, let's go back to Tesla. What do you think about Tilray? Tilray's a $40 stock. I hold Tilray. Here's Tilray. I'm up 12.5%. We're going to get legislation. We're going to get legislation, which is going to get passed. I'm sure of that. So it's a $40 stock. I'm up 12.5%. If I scroll down, I'll share with you. Look, 12.5%. There's my position. I'm up $463. I average of 345, and there we go. It's 4.37 of my portfolio. So you can imagine I'm very bullish. I expect it to be a $40 stock. All right. Okay. Now then, what's going on here? We've got 12. We've only got 12 likes. What's going on here? Let me smash the like button. We need to get more people in. We've got a big surprise coming up in a few minutes. I know all my family will make everyone welcome. Our guests welcome. Anyway, for those of you who live in Texas or across America, it brings me more the opportunity to meet all of you and do in-person gigs. So I'm really excited about that. And I'll tell you about that in a minute. Okay, the overall portfolio is looking all right. Are we going to turn green today? I said would be green. We've had 3 weeks now in a row. This will be the 4th week in a row of having a green Friday. Sell-off Friday. Let's have a look. Only 0.9 away now. Getting closer by the second. And that looks like Tesla is making the big part of it. Let's have a little look. It's going up now, 180. Did you buy it? I bought several today. I bought one at 181, one at 81.05, one at 180. So I bought 3 today around this price. So that is very, very nice. I was 22% down. I'm now just 21% down. Plus, we're down 1.5%. So that's going to rise very, very quickly. Anyway, hi, Ed. How are you? Let's go through our crypto right now. Let's have a little look. Here's Ethereum, down today 0.74. Bitcoin is down 0.97. And Bitcoin SV has had a bit of a rally today. 0.32. Very, very nice indeed. Still down 30%. I'm not adding any more. Don't see any point, because if it ever does the $1 million or whatever, then I've got 11 Bitcoin. I've got $11 million, right? That's the way I see it. Enphase Energy is green today. Ginkgo Bioworks is also 0.7 up today. Tilray Brands down a little bit, but not too bad. 22 has just come in. Let me have a quick look. What has he just said? Fed minutes on Wednesday. Consider taking a bit of risk off before then. All they've been saying is hawkish, and the market has shrugged it off so far. Now, you say it shrugged it off, though. I don't know if it really has, because look at Tesla. I mean, let's get it straight. Has it really shrugged it off? I don't know. I'm not selling anything today, but I have been trying to sell for the last couple of days. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on Monday. We've got some time before Wednesday. You're absolutely right. It does appear to be hawkish, but we shall see. Tesla's now coming back. Danny West, here he is. All right, here's my star guest today. All right, he's spot on time, ready to rock and roll. So today we got a special treat. Okay, we got a special guest in the show right now. Now, you may know COVID ended my touring. It's 37 years all around the world, 195 countries. COVID stopped it. Well, I started to do a few in-person gigs for the Lombardi family, doing different in-person gigs, and I've had a really good time. It's been quite nice, and I've met some of you on the live gigs and all the rest of it. Well, Danny West is in the chat right now. I want everyone to give him a huge, huge welcome. He's actually been the DJ for the Dallas Cowboys, and they are looking at sponsoring the channel, and they want me to do more dates across Texas and all the rest of it. And I'm very excited. We had a really great meeting this afternoon, and his favourite song, there we go. Mike says, thanks, Danny. His favourite song is Elton John's Your Song. Well, you all know I'm the world piano man, so I've got Elton John's jacket under the table that he wore in Candle in the Wind, so I've got all that, as you know. So there we go. Would everybody please welcome Danny West in? Now, Danny West, so what happens, he doesn't know about this yet. He doesn't know about this yet. So what happens is, Danny, on the music show, on the Martyn Lucas channel, I sing music. On this channel, I do investing, but I put a bit of music in now and again for my members. You'll see nearly everybody's a member. 95% of our live viewers are members, more than Mr. Beast. They're all here. And I just subscribe to Danny's channel. There you go. Everybody does. Everyone does. So what people do, Danny, see underneath the live chat, there's a little dollar sign. So for my members, you're not a member right now. Shall I give him the invitation? Shall I give him the invitation to become a member? You can become a member for a couple of bucks. Here's the invitation. If you give me, as a member, you can request a song, and it has to cover the copyright of the video, because this video will not earn any money, because if I sing a song, it'll go to Elton John. So you do a $10 super chat, and I'll sing a song. Now you don't have to, because I got him in here as a guest. So he doesn't have to do it. He's coming as a guest. So I can't charge him $10. He's just given me some gigs. He wants to book me across America, across Texas. So I can't charge him $10. Anyway, you never know. He might become a member and we'll do it anyway. But anyway, coming up in 3 minutes, we got a special request. It's Your Song by Sir Elton John. All right? So anyway, there we go. Has everyone given our guest a welcome? So here we are with 43,000, down 1% today. And shall I put everyone's name on the screen? Let's get everyone's name on the screen. Let's do this. Over on TikTok, I want to welcome all my 31,000 followers. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. We're about to do a special request for a special guest. Now, the guy I'm talking about, shall I show him? Shall I put him on the screen? This is Danny West. He's actually the DJ for the Dallas Cowboys. There he is. There we go. Danny West, how are you, mate? That's down on the star. That's where one of the venues I play, and I actually did the Cowboys gig, did Jerry Jones's gig a couple of years ago before COVID. But anyway, there he is. There's a man. There he is, DJ for the Cowboys. Anyway, we'll do the song in a second. We're just getting ready. He is Ed. He is great, and we didn't start the fire. LOL. Sorry, Martin. He is great. Hey, family. Welcome, Danny. You're getting welcomes from every single person. Danny, if you become a member, you've no idea the welcome you'll get. This is just the warm-up. Right. We've got 2 minutes before we do the song. We've got 45 minutes before we do Day Trader of the Day. Thanks for everybody for entering the cash giveaway this morning. That was a lot of fun. So here we go. I am going to do a prediction. Here we go. Here's a prediction. Let me go to my crystal ball. Hang on, wrong one. It's this one here. I expect to have some Elton John music in the show today. I'm hoping by the end of the day I should be green. I think I'll be green by the end of the day. Anyway, let's get ready to it. We'll become a member. Yeah, we'll see. He hasn't heard he's got to hear the song first, right? Okay, so let's get straight into it right now. We need 30 likes. There are 16 likes on the screen. We need to get to 30 likes in 1 minute. Look at this. This is unbelievable. We're making money this afternoon. We've all been buying Tesla shares and we're at 16 likes. How can that possibly be at 16 likes? You ready? 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. We need 17 likes. There it goes. We want at least 25 likes. Chiggy, pow, pow. I said chiggy, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. By the way, this is going to be a hit single soon. Just wait for it. 18, 19. Come on, we need 25 likes. We've only got 30 seconds left. Look at it right here. 19 likes. We need 25 likes if we're going to do the song. Come on. Smash the like button, everybody. I told Danny we are the most engaged channel on YouTube. In other words, 95% of our live viewers are members and growing every day. So why hasn't everybody smashed the like button? What's going on? There we go. 21. Okay, that's not too bad. Danny West has become a member of the channel. Right, would everybody please welcome our new member in? Smash the bloody like button. That's right. Smash the bloody like button. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. One of our sponsors. How are you, mate? How are you? Right, it's official. Right, Danny, now we're going to give everyone the official welcome now. Danny gets the official welcome. So first of all, would everybody please put your city and country in and welcome Danny into the stream. Right, we've got 100% likes now. Everyone's liked who's watching. That's great. So there we go. Let's welcome Danny in. There we go. Fantastic. Congratulations, Danny. Appreciate that very much indeed. Right, now, Danny, you get lots of perks. It's not about giving me money. It's not about me. It's about all of you. So, Danny, what you get now as a member of our channel, other than your name highlights, you are supporting the live channels. You're supporting the live show. It's the live shows that are paid for by the members. Okay, I'm live 10 hours a day. As a member now, you can get highlighted in the chat. You can have a poll if you want to ask the family a question. You can ask me to review a stock, and I'll make a video on that stock and promote it. There you go. You can also for free have your birthday for you or your loved one celebrated live in the show. I go back to the studio, pump out all the smoke, and we sing happy birthday to you, for you, a loved one, or anyone in your family the day before, the day of, or the day after. You get to keep the video. You can download it and own copyright. That's your gift from me. If you ever go silver, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser and go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Also, you can get access now to Discord, and you can call live into the show. You can be live on the show. Here is the Discord channel. You can have your own channel if you go silver. There it is. You can call live into the show. Discord is right there. And every Friday, it's cash prize giveaway. I give away the money I make on the video. And if you want that, of course, it's our weekly newsletter. It goes out Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, and 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT. There is the email you need to sign up for. When you click on that, it will bring you to the secure server. Here it is. You will see this. You put your email in, and you will be sent an email. These are all my links for all my free giveaways, the music channel, and all my social media. And I follow all my members back and engage in you. I go to work 10 hours a day to support all my members. Once you put your email in, you need to verify the email. It always goes into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. That's how emails work, sadly. There's the email you're looking for, the day trader at martynlucas.com. It's in the chat. You can see it right there. Okie dokie, that's covered all the perks and benefits. When you get on Discord, let me know you're in the welcome all, and I will manually upgrade you to a YouTube member. I do it live on the show so people don't scam it and bots don't claim all the perks and benefits. All right, there we go. It's now song time. This guy has come on, and he's come to have a listen to me. The company he represents might sponsor my channel. Here he is down with the Dallas Cowboys. Look, they might sponsor the channel and give me gigs all across Texas. So as I sing this song, I need everyone to say how good I am. I need everyone to say, Martyn Lucas is the best singer in the world, and you should book him. And if you book him, we're all coming. And if you want to give away a table for the night, we can promote it on the channel and get everyone to try and win it and come down to Dallas and have a night out at the Lombardi restaurant. How cool would that be? All right, Tesla is moving up now, 179. I've been buying it all day, 179 and 180. I've now got 48 shares of it. Happy with that? All right. Okay, let me read some of these comments coming in right now. Welcome, Danny from Pisa in Italy, New York, Maryland. There we go. Welcome, Danny West, says Steezy G. Winchester, Virginia. There is Mike166. Calgary in Canada. Steezy G. New Jersey here. Palm Bay, Florida. Good vibe, says Danny West as well. Welcome, Danny. There you go. Welcome to the family. Ed Nevius. Got some great investors and traders and people from all over the world here, Danny. All right, brilliant. I think we've got a bit of smoke in the studio. Yep, it's coming across now. We're ready for the song. We're ready for the song. Martyn's worth the money. Such a talent. Ah, coming from Mark Korn. Sing Phantom of the Opera. I don't know. Should I sing Phantom? He's not requested that. Anyway, he hasn't given me a super chat. He hasn't earned that. He hasn't earned that. He hasn't earned it. He hasn't earned it. He hasn't earned it. It's only become a member. It's only $2. Can have Phantom of the Opera. All right. Okay, let's check the stocks. Has everybody liked? Yes, everyone smashed. Hang on a minute. There's now 40 watching. We've got 22 likes. Right, if you want your name on the screen during the song, here we go. Put a 1 minute on the clock. Get your name on. You just smash the like button, and then we'll do the song straight away. Smash the like, and here we go. You ready? Okay, smash the like button. Let's do it. We've got 22 likes. We need 30 likes, and then we'll go straight into the song. Okay. Okay. Wonderful stuff. I'm very excited today because we're making money. We got friends here. It's good. It's another good day. And of course, we're not back now until Monday. 23 likes. It's going up a little bit. We're a bit slow on likes. What's going on? People not signed in this afternoon? Hello, what's going on? Right, okay. Let's do it. Let's put everybody on the screen now. Me likey, Mr. Cossack, how are you this afternoon? Probably Mark Knopfler. No, I gotta tell you, he's gone for an Elton John song. Stonk Go Red. Stonk Go Red. Ed Nivius. Martin, did you see TikTok video yet? Ed Nivius. Did I see the TikTok video yet? I don't know if I have. Right, Danny's here. Here comes the song. Danny, thank you ever so much for becoming a member today. And I hope to have a lot of fun doing the live gigs for you across Texas. Okay, let's go and do it right now. Here we go. We'll go over to this screen so everybody can have their name on the screen. And this is only a very quick song. He's asked for some Elton John. He could have asked for Andre Bocelli or Michael Bolton or Frank Sinatra. But no, he's gone for Elton John. All right, so there it is on the screen. You can start to chat and your name will come up. And I want you all to tell Danny he should give me a pay rise and book me everywhere. All right, so here we go. Earbuds time, yep. It's broadcasting 4K surround sound, so put your earbuds on. Danny, what's his name? Mike always recommends that. It's a good idea. Okay, let's go into the song. Book Martin. Yeah, book him. Book Martin. Here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. All right. I'm not wearing Elton John's jacket today. That's still down under the piano. Okay, we're just doing it like this. All right, Danny, are you still in the chat? I need you in the chat. I need to know you're here. Here we go. All right, which version shall we do today? We'll do this one. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those easily high. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, then again, no, a man who makes potions, a traveling show. I know it's not much, it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, yeah, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. Sat on a roof, yeah, and I kicked off the moss. A few of the verses, they got me quite cross. In a way, the thing is, what I really mean is for people like you that keep their turned on. So forgetting these things that I do. You see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, you got the sweetest eyes I have ever seen, and you can tell everybody this is your song. Maybe quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind, I put it down in words. How wonderful life is, you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words. How wonderful life is, now you're in the world. There we go. That was especially there for Danny. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you ever so much for everyone taking part. So Danny, this is just a small part of what I do. 14 voices, 7 different languages, 650 songs. So you can stream this across venues all across the world. People can make requests, and it's broadcast in 4K, so it can go on big screens. It can promote companies. Our engagement rate, as you can see, every single person that's watching is liked. Every single person is a member. Every single person gets involved. If anyone can show Danny how the super chats work, do a couple of super chats, guys, just the 99 pence ones to show it works. This is how we've raised over $1 million for charity, Danny. All the money goes to charity. I take nothing out of it. Let me show you how we do that as well, so we can be promoting a company at the same time as raising money for charities all over the world. It's probably the best way of marketing, promoting, bringing people together. Here's a couple of the voices just in 30 seconds. Here are some of the voices I do. So Paul McCartney, when I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. Eric Clapton, would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Neil Diamond, Love on the Rocks, hey, no surprise. We do Andre Bocelli, we do Paul McCartney, Michael Jackson, Michael Bolton. It is probably one of my favourite ones I love doing. When a Man Loves a Woman, When a Man Loves a Woman, Michael Bolton. When a man loves a woman, deep down in his soul, love and eyes can never see. All right, there we go. Giving you a little bit of a taster, Danny. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for becoming a member. Stephen Lewandowski, thank you ever so much. But we are trading right now. We are investing right now. So let's get back to the main part of the channel and let's get straight into it. And if Danny enjoyed it, hopefully I'll get a phone call later on saying the Lombardi family think this is pretty good and they all want to book you for their gigs. Anyway, let's go over to the main part of the show. Here we go. Let's go over here. Back in the hot seat once again. Okay. And it's an important thing to tell you as well, Danny, because we understand that we could do a very, very important event and it's 100% reliability. It's critical. This entire studio works off backup solar power, so we never lose power. We never lose internet, and we've got backup of everything. So we understand if we're doing a fundraiser how very, very important it is to make sure that we stay online and be consistent. Anyway, there we go. I hope you enjoyed it. All right, there you go. Thank you, Stephen, for jumping in there and doing a super chat to demonstrate how that works. All right, great. Brilliant. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Let's get back to the trades. This is not the music show right now. We're back up to 44,000 now. I said we'd be green by the end of the day. Let me just see if... Yes, Danny's still here. I was just checking, is he still here? Sometimes you don't know. I might have done the wrong thing. You might have thought, hello, I don't like this. What's going on? I would out-sing you, Arnold Palmer. You probably would. Most people can, if they just try. Anyway, Tesla back to 180. Let's get straight into it. The Church of Logic, the S&P is back up again. We're seeing now a rise into the close. It's Friday. It's not going to be a sell-off Friday. I said we'll be green by the end of the day. What do you think? Virgin Orbit getting ready for the flight next week. 180 Tesla. I bought 3 shares of Tesla to add to my position today. Now then, I'm going to extend this because this was very, very popular. Everybody seemed to really enjoy the discount code coming up to Christmas. Everybody loved that. So here is another day. If you want to order something from the shop, any of my products, the link's at the top. Gold 10 will get you a 10% discount. All right, I've extended it another day because every day someone buys something, I extend it another day. When someone doesn't buy anything, I will stop doing that. I'll take that away. So as long as somebody buys something within the next 24 hours, I am extending it. How do you feel about your holiday idea? Totally up to you. I don't want to impede your broadcast. I love it. Maybe we can do a fundraiser instead of support your channel. No, hang on a minute. What do you mean? Do a fundraiser instead of supporting my channel? What do you mean? You've got to support my channel and a fundraiser. Let me put that on the screen. How do you feel about our holiday idea? Totally up to you. Don't want to impede on your broadcast. Maybe we can do a fundraiser instead to support your channel. What do you mean instead? I need to clarify what you're saying here. No, that's mate. You know it's all good. Whatever anybody wants to do, as long as we're bringing fun to people, we're raising money, we're making money, we're having fun. I'm always up for that. You know that. I think it's a great idea. Whatever we can do to support. We've got Zach here, our friend from Africa. We've got our big fundraiser coming up for you. Ali Tisro has sponsored it. Very, very exciting. Instead of Santa Project, support the channel. What exactly do you mean? Insider trading. Insider trading yesterday on ARDX. No surprise there. It's becoming more and more regular, isn't it? I will read exactly what you meant, Church. Send me the details. Let's discuss it. But you know I'm up for anything. Anything that's good is good by me. Right, let's go through the stocks right now. Amazon's coming up. We've got Apple doing well today. I'm nearly making money on Apple again. Robinhood is still down. I've got to buy at $9 to bring my average down. Not a penny more. McDonald's is holding up, new 13% now. Coca-Cola is up 0.63. Looking good. J&J up another 0.75. This is interesting. This might well be like it's regarded as a safe stock. People are selling out and moving their money into that. So if they are selling out, preparing for some sort of crash, you want to be in J&J, Coca-Cola and McDonald's because that's where the safe money goes. 151 is too high to be getting into Apple at this point. It is expensive. I'm actually down 0.59. I was already in it. So I've got orders placed to buy it low. But you're absolutely right. It is expensive, but you know, it'll grow into it and catch a dip if it goes down there. But it pays a dividend as well. Remember that. There's some free money to be had off the table. Google is down. I'm down 1.85. Microsoft is down today, as is Meta is up. I'm down just 3% on Meta. And there we go. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a sniffle. Oh, I apologise. It's this change of weather's really thrown me off right now. Anyway, did we have another guest in today? It was Lexa Carrillo. Who is Lexa Carrillo? Lexa, are you still here? Let me have a little look. Les, she's still here. We very rarely get ladies in our show. We have the Queen of Logic. We have Paddy. But 95% are guys. It's lovely when we get a lady in. Lexa Carrillo, what city and country are you from? Let everybody know, and we'll give you a lovely warm welcome. Paddy, hello, my friend. You missed this morning. It was fun this morning. The Queen of Logic is a guest. Yes. Okay, now then, have we got anybody that wants to call into the show? Let me go to Discord and see if we've got any new members joined up. No, nothing right now. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. If you want to call in, I'm opening up the broadcast lounge. You can be live on the show. You can call in live to the show. And this is what it's like if you call in. You can call in by video. Here's a guy from CNN and Fox and everywhere else. Our crypto expert, Kurt Worker. You could be like this.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com.
I have to
there you go. There's Churchy.
Your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, The Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information.
Welcome to The Day Traders. This show is pretty an awesome show.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sam.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song.
There you go. There's some of the members calling in. I love it. I love to try and get them on the screen as much as possible. Me and Mum are cold as well, unfortunately. Autumn is the perfect season to get flu. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. We hope you're all right. We hope you're all right. So we're not going to talk about oil dropping today. Churchy, tell me all about it. As you know, I pay no attention to oil. I don't spend any of my time thinking about it because I don't see it as something for the future. But Church looks young. He does, doesn't he? He looks about 18. Church of Logic. He's getting married, by the way. He's marrying the Queen of Self-Braiding. The Queen of Self-Braiding is now calling herself the Queen of Logic. There's some sort of connection going on there. Not quite sure exactly what that's all about, but it's all it's all happening live here on the show. We might have our first wedding. Oh my gosh, we've had people in hospital. We've had, sadly, people pass on. We've not had a wedding though. Maybe it's time we have a wedding. Anyway, you started it all. Yeah, bloody right. I started it. I'll finish it. Okay. Is Danny West still here? Our DJ of the Dallas Cowboys. Is he still here? He's got very, very quiet. Do you know what he might have thought? I thought this guy was good. He's rubbish. He might have changed his mind. I'm like a decade older than what I look. Don't flatter yourself, Churchy. You know, you don't look that young. All right. I just want to point out, I know we're giving you a bit of flattery, making you feel good. It's all about making you feel good. Don't necessarily be true. I'm just being nice. I don't really think you look 18. I'm just being nice. Now you've gone and taken advantage of that, and now you've run with it. BSV today having a bit of a bounce. Look, 0.676. Just noticed that. Church of Logic, Queen. Oh, Queen. I understand. Yeah, everyone's struggling right now. Okay, we are down 0.79. Will we turn green? I don't know. We're getting very, very close. Day Trader of the Day coming up. Of course, it's your last chance if you want to get the newsletter for Sunday. The last chance if you want to sign up for it. It goes out on Sunday, so you can be in our cash giveaway for Friday. And maybe our Lombardi friends might want to sponsor it. $10 you can sponsor the newsletter. Can you believe how cheap that is? It's booked this week, but next week's available. We might see a wonderful restaurant starring Martyn Lucas. They might sponsor the newsletter. What do you think? Never needed me as a king. Queen was queen at birth. Never needed me as a king. Guys, check AVDL. They won the case. AVDL. Let me have a quick look. The S&P 500 is coming up quickly. S&P 500 is coming up quickly. Let me have a quick look. That must mean we're getting very close. Yeah, just $300 away now. Let's have a little look. Go back to Tesla. Yeah, 180. So for Queen of Logic, Queen of Self, Queen of Braiding, Queen of everything else, here is AV. I'm getting so confused now with all these names. AVDL. Avadel Pharmaceuticals. Let's have a quick look at this. They won the case, and as you can see, it's up 13.2%. I've never been lucky enough to make money on pharmaceuticals. You have to get the timing absolutely spot on to be able to make any money on these things. Unless you just buy something and hold it and then catch it on the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. Very, very difficult to do so. Anyway, there it is. I'll be right back in. We need to run a quick commercial break because we're over time. Let's run a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. That was painless, wasn't it? Wasn't that painless? Did you see an ad? Let me just check my screens. Let's see if ads went round the studio. Yeah, ads went round the studio. Oh, yeah, check it out. Brilliant. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this afternoon? All looking good? Everybody well? Brilliant. The Queen of Logic, prenups. Prenups? Are we getting, I mean, are we actually setting up prenups now between church and Queen? We're actually going for it, are we? We're just going to get married. You never even met. You're just going to go for it. Yeah, should we announce the wedding next week then? And we'll book it in. We'll book it in. I want to get booked. So, yeah, I want to book it in. Tesla now, 180. Have we seen the bottom with Tesla? I can agree with the Queen of Self-Braiding. Hold forever. Just hold forever. That's what Warren Buffett says. I mean, at some point you got to sell, and just want to, unless you're just leaving it to your kids. I mean, you know, I'm not nice like that. I don't leave money to anybody. I don't think I want Ford. No. Yeah, that's it. If you marry the Queen of Church of Logic Queen, you'll end up inheriting. Because the chances are you died before you. You know, I mean, you know, chances are most blokes die before women anyway. So the chances are you're going to get to inherit a lot of Ford shares. So, you know, before you consider marrying him, do you want to inherit a lot of Ford shares? You know, you might regard that as a bit. I want to marry someone who's got Tesla shares. To be quite honest, you know. Anyway, Robinhood is still going sideways. McDonald's is up 0.12. We're moving nicely. Hang on a minute. I've got a few things I'm trying to do here. Oh, hang on. Let me get rid of all this. Oh, hello. Let me check my text messages. Okay, let me have a look at that. Right. Coca-Cola. Doing very nicely today, up 0.69. I am seeing, I mean, what do you think? Is it a concern that, you know, people are going, oh, the markets are going to crash. Money is going into the safe havens. But if you're in the safe havens, then what does it matter? It doesn't. If everyone sells Tesla and my Tesla goes down 1,000,000% and it all gets dumped in Coke, I mean, if you own Coke, what difference does it make, you know? It's an opportunity then to buy more Tesla, trim off the top with Coke and buy some more Tesla. That's the way I see it. Someone commented with a WhatsApp, a number on one of your videos. I got the alert on one of my videos. Oh, yeah. Yeah, if people comment with WhatsApp, they're all scammers. Don't ever reply. Please never message anyone who messages you. Oh my gosh, Johnson & Johnson doesn't pump like this. Johnson & Johnson does not rise like this. This is very, very good. If you're 50-50 Coke Tesla, it doesn't matter. Exactly. Yeah. However, I've got 3.5 grand, or 4 grand's worth of Tesla, of Coke, and 8 grand of Tesla, so it probably doesn't work very well. Martin, can you check a Amazon affiliate link? I used it on my Amazon order because last time it didn't work. All right then. I will do it live right now in the show. We don't want you waiting. Hang on a minute then. So Amazon Associates, Amazon affiliates. Right, okay. Let's have a look. And basically, if you use my Amazon link and you are a member of my channel, I give you the money I get. How nice of me is that? That's very nice of me, isn't it? Let me have a look. Reports. Earnings report. Still struggle with this. It's not that straightforward. Today, when was it? Today. Let me have a look. Has anybody bought anything today? Nothing showing up today. Yesterday. Nothing. Let me share. Let me share with you. Look. See. Look. This is where it says when someone has bought something. I can see it here. Okay, today, 20 minutes ago. It won't have registered, I don't think, until you pay for it and it's been dispatched. Normally, it doesn't come through until it's dispatched. So I will check again. But if it comes up here and it says this product and you go, that's the product I bought, and I've got $5, you get $2.50 or whatever it might be. All right. So nothing showing up there, but you know I will share it with you on the screen and give you the money. On the powers invested on me, I now pronounce you. Yeah, love it. You are the flower girl, Queen. There you go. Please tell us we could celebrate them all together, Queen. Martyn, I've done that. I've checked that. All right, I've done that. We're all okie dokie. So I'll keep my eye on it. If you've used my link, it should work. All right. Tesla's now 180. Bouncing around on that 180 line. Looking good. Let me go back to that a minute. Why is that showing up there? There we go. 44,101. I'm noticing a slightly different number. No, there we go. It's refreshed now. Yeah, we're good. Down 0.63. I predicted a green day today. We're not that far off. Where's Danny gone? You're still in the chat? Where you gone? He's not saying anything. They're probably having a conversation going, hang on a minute, we need to sign this Martyn Lucas up. Quick, sign him up. And they'll come back in a minute and go, right, we've just offered you $10 million and we want you to do every football stadium across America. Are you done? That's what's going to happen. Just got to wait for it. Just got to have patience. Okay. Portland Trailblazers, when is the next earnings call on here? I will tell you right now. That's a very good question. I will scroll down and tell you. The next earnings will be upcoming earnings. We have got nothing for a while. Let's have a little look. We're not covering Agilent, Dollar Tree, Ballydo, Dell, HP, Zoom. No. We're not covering anything for Best Buy. No. JMJ, Warner's. There isn't anything for a while. Scrolling down. We've just covered all the big caps. All the main stocks have all been covered. I'm scrolling down. Nothing's planned at the moment, which means we are at least 2 or 3 weeks away from our next earnings. So there's nothing yet. Of course, there's thousands of earnings all the time, but we only cover the ones that we're really interested in. We don't do every single earnings call. It seems a bit pointless, doesn't it? Anyway, but thank you for asking, though. I appreciate it. Okay, right, day trader of the day coming up in a few minutes. Find out who lost the most money as opposed to who made the most money. Always good. Right, shall we see if we've gained any subscribers today during the show? Let's have a quick look. Here we go. We got 91 so far. That's pretty good. We normally get 200 by the end of the show, so we've got another 100 to go. Then you can see it right there, look, 91, see it? And subscribers, 5,493, 4,596. Get in, we like it. Good stuff. Now then. Now you may remember I mentioned that we'd have Greg Dickerson on the show. I've just never got round to calling him. When we got 5,000, we were supposed to invite Greg Dickerson on the show. I never got round to it. Martyn for the bride and groom. What's that? Ha ha, Paddy, and my brownies I'm making for everyone. Mike's making brownies. That'll be good. Right, 0.47. I predicted on the bell I would be green. I've got $206 to go, $199 to go. Greatest day trader in the world on the greatest day trader channel in the world. We are just $191 away right now. See if you can get David Dickinson on. Yes, that would be good, wouldn't it? That would be good. I want David Dickinson to come on. Look at the S&P rising now. We're bound to go green before the bell. Seriously, we're $216 away. We're really pumping. It's very, very unusual to see it rise this much into the close when we were down so much. Anyway, Virgin Orbit is up. Tesla's rising. Look at Tesla. Who bought Tesla this morning on the drop? I've got more orders at 170. I'm glad I did. Let me show you what I did here. Let me show you what I did. I actually bought quite a few, actually. Quite a few. Oh, we're $100 away now. I said it would be green on the bell, and it's not that far off, folks. It ain't that far off. Let me, here we go. Let me share with you. Righty then. Right, here we go. 182. Hang on. Show more. Show more. Show more. People want to see more. Show them more. What's happening there? Why didn't it show me more? Come on, show me more. I'll come back to that screen. It's gone a bit dead. Brownies are so delicious. Yum. Me at 177.80. 4.7. Very nice. Very nice, mate. I'm just waiting for the screen to share, and I'll show you what I did. It wasn't as much as you. I don't think I did 4.7. I think I might have done 3 shares. Not sure. Anyway, we'll come back to it in a minute. This page is being a bit funny. Right, look, 182, 181.26, 181.05, and 180. So 1, 2, 3, 4 around the 180. 4 around the 180. I think I will hold until Monday. Absolutely. I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling anything. So that's looking pretty good. I'm happy with that. So, down 191.43. Very, very close now. I can smell some smoke in here. I can smell smoke in my studio. What's going on? Smells a bit smoky in here. Anyway, let's get focused. We've got 8 minutes to go. We've got day trader of the day to do. And we shall do that as well. S&P just topping off. There we go. It's topping off. Virgin Galactic. Yes, it pumped up a little bit and it's just selling down again. I don't know why that would be. But anyway, never mind. Tesla's still rising though. Let's go back to our J&J. J&J is still holding up. 4.82. Google is coming up. Coca-Cola. And 0.7. Coke's looking good. McDonald's looking good. Robinhood. Okay. Over to our crypto. Has everybody taken their crypto now off the exchanges? I hope you have. It doesn't cost you anything. It cost me 13 cents to remove my Bitcoin. You should absolutely do it. Stick it on your ledger like this. And if the crypto exchanges go bang, which they probably will, I mean, they're all going. The biggest are going. The second biggest is about to go. Why would half of them not go? I think you should all be off the off the exchanges. It was Jamie setting your back porch on fire. Yeah, I can smell smoke. Cakes are the future, and for this reason they are stellar, Mark. Yes. All right. Just dropping off. Doesn't look like I'm going to be right. Options expiry today. A lot of re-hedging. This is important. Coming from 22. Options expiry today. A lot of re-hedging. I don't think there's any meaning behind the moves today. Okay. There's never any real moves, any real meaning behind anything, is there? If it goes up, people are buying. If it goes down, people are selling. And it's just about staying in the game, innit? That's a great way of looking at it, innit? Anyway, the S&P is just topping off. Everything's a bit bleh right now. Not much excitement to talk about. If I'm honest, not much excitement. Tesla, 179. Lucid, Arrival. Digging the ditches. There you go. Digging the ditches. I like that. That's what I'm all about. Keep digging the ditches. Keep preparing for the days when the rain will come. Collect all the rain. Absolutely right. Coca-Cola. Everything's just topping off. Looks like everyone's topping off. People are taking a bit of money out for Monday morning. That's neither bad or good. It depends on how you want to see it. You can turn it any way you want. Let's have a look. But a lot of time there's news or a motive for buying or selling. Nothing really today. It's just order flow. Yeah, you can feel it. Nothing's really doing anything. You know, it goes up, it goes down. Not that much volatility, not that much volume, not that much excitement, really. I think a lot of people are trying to suss out what Elon Musk is going to do at Twitter. Look, barcoding at Rolls-Royce, very standard. Look at that, barcoding. That's algo trading, all that is. Very tightly bunched lines like that is barcoding. Agba closed before market closed that was more than 0.3. Thanks, Ed Nivius. Target recovered from its earnings. Not too bad. Tesco up 1.99. Canoe down 2. On Semiconductor is up. I'm out of this stock right now, though. How's it been doing, actually? I've been out of it. Yeah, it's been doing very well. I like the company. I should have been in. I sold out, but that's okay because I'm in Photronics instead, which is doing equally as well. It makes no difference. They're both very successful companies. If I show you my Photronics, look, if I scroll down to here, P-Lab, you'll see I'm exposed to the same industry, receiving the same benefits. It makes no difference whatsoever. Open link in new tab. Why isn't it opening up? There we go. Photo Labs. There you go. So I'm in here and I'm up 15% with the same sort of money that I had in On. So I'm exposed to the same thing. I like Photronics, up 15.77, $362, quite nice. Steady growth. I like steady growth. Oversold, now we're bouncing back. So it's probably near the top of its range right now. I could sell that. Put $2,500 back in the bank, take $360, 15% profit. It's not bad, is it? Oh my gosh, look who's here. Look who's here. I can't believe it. It's an old friend. We've not seen him for ages. Believer Bubble. Hang on, is he still a member? Bloody hell, he's still a member. He's been gone for months. I can't believe it. There's so many things we want to talk about with Believer Bubble. Can you hear? Everybody welcome him in. Hey! Let's bring him in. Let's do a little celebration. He went on a cruise ship. Everybody thought you drowned. Everybody thought you fell off the bloody cruise ship. Here he is. Boom. Everybody thought you drowned. There you go. Congratulations. Great to have you back. There we go. Look at that. Lovely stuff. Yeah. Lovely to have you back. Really, really nice. Where have you been? Hang on a minute. What's happening there? Why have I got that on the screen? Hang on a minute. Hang on. I'm getting stuff here. I'm getting stuff all over the place. There we go. There you go. Believer Bubble. Believer Bubble is back on the show. Can you believe it? Hey, Bill's come back as well. There we go. Bill was being a bit sad this morning. What happened, Bill? Right at the end. What's going on here? Bill's come back. There we go. We even got Bill back. Everyone's back now. There we go. Hey, Bubbles, Believer Bubble, welcome back. You can't stay away for long. You gotta be here. Oh, Believer Bubble, what's been going on? We've had so what happened? Everybody thought you died. They thought you fell off the boat and you died. You've just missed so much today. We've had a DJ for the Dallas Cowboys in today to book me for a tour across Texas. He was in today and looking at my show. We did a little request for him earlier, and he's just become a member of our channel. And what's happened? No contract was extended. Well, you could have called in and told us. I mean, we've been thinking, what's going on? Right, the bell's about to go. I've got to ding the bell. Believer Bubble's back. Believer Bubble. I love it. I'm forever blowing bubbles. Ring the bell in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're now closed. We're now done. It's all done. And he missed your man probe yesterday. Oh, you did. Believer Bubble, live on the show. My prostate was checked. I was naked. There was a doctor with his finger up my bum. Oh, yes. That was all going on yesterday. Live on the show. And you missed it. Probably good. He's thinking, what? What went on yesterday? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. And then if anyone, yes, live on the show. Live on the show. And just to remind everybody what Believer Bubble sounds like, I've even kept his sound. I've even kept his sound clip. I didn't delete it because he buggered off. I could have done. That was a blessing then. That was a No, it was not a blessing. It was very entertaining. I got loads of super chats. Everybody was here. Nobody went. But it wasn't a blessing. Here he is.
Welcome to the Day Trader.
Welcome to the Day Trader.
It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome to the Day Trader. Hey, guess what? Believer Bubble, well, you've been gone. You're not going to believe this. Well, you've been gone, cruising around the world, minding your own business. Guess what? Guess what else you've missed other than the man probing, right? You have missed so much. I don't even know where to start. I've now got 30,000 followers on TikTok. Look at that. 30,000 followers on TikTok. That's the first thing. That's pretty good. What else? Oh, yeah. We went through, we were trying to get to like 3,000 subscribers when you were on back in the day, 20 years ago. Well, we're now at 5,496. We just keep on getting bigger. Drillian DeMarge is here. What's going on? We got all the old school. We got all the old guard in today. You all missed my song as well. I can't bloody believe it. We had a celebrity on the channel today and you all missed it. Here he is, the DJ from Dallas Cowboys. You all missed it. They want to book me for a tour across America and you all missed it. I can't believe it. Now you're all coming in now. Too late. Did you tell the doctor that you are a proper investor? A propo investor? A propo investor? Not quite sure where that joke is going. I don't get it. Good voice imitation. Yeah, I know. It was good, wasn't it? Shall I do it again?
Welcome to the Day Trader.
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 Welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome to the Day Trader.
Welcome to the Day Trader. We're taking the piss here today. I love it. I'm having a good time. That's all that counts. It doesn't matter if you're offended. It doesn't matter to me in the slightest. If I'm having a good time, that's all that matters. Because I'm going to keep having a good time until I'm dead. I'll tell you something else. Believer Bubble, you missed. Jamie Gill from England was on the other day, and we thought he was dead. That's all I'm going to say. We thought he was dead. And then yesterday, while I was being man-probed, people said they could see Jamie Gill, the ghost, walking around the studio. So it was quite an event, really. It was quite an event. Anyway, we'll leave that where it is because it's very confusing for most people. They don't really understand what's going on, including me. Right, moving on. The bell's gone. We're done. It's very spooky. Yes, it was Jamie Gill. Is Jamie Gill dead? I can tell you Jamie Gill is alive. At least he was yesterday. He might be dead today. At some point he will be dead. It's a guaranteed fact. So today he's still alive. But the chances of him being dead today are increased from yesterday because he's 1 day older. So the chance of him being dead today is more likely. So you might want to start investing. He came on, he says, I'm only 30. Why are you predicting the death of me? I'm 30 years old. I said, you don't care. Don't tune in then. He's setting fire to your back porch. I know, that's what I can smell. Propaganda spots, meaning information, ideas, or rumours that are... Oh, hello. Look at this. What is a propo? The term propo is short for propaganda spots, meaning information, ideas, or rumours that are deliberately spread wildly to help harm a person, group, or movement. I'm a propo investor. In short, propaganda spots, meaning information, ideas, or rumours that are deliberately spread wildly to help or harm a person. I don't think I'm that kind of investor, am I? Maybe not today. Yeah. 36. Was it 36? Death knows no age. Mike, I think that a vampire family with so many ghost friends. Yes, indeed. I mean, it does know no age. You're absolutely right. Well, we've come to the end of the show. It's Friday. It's the end. It's done. We're back on Monday, of course. And you missed the cash giveaway as well. We gave away our best ever cash prize. Over on TikTok, what has gone on today? How come it's so quiet on TikTok today? That's the quietest I've ever seen. Nobody want to buy shares on a Friday afternoon? It's driving everyone insane. We do. There is no direction. There is no direction. You're absolutely right, 22. It's all over the bloody place. There is no truth out there right now. There is no direction. The world is all over the place. All you can do is prepare and dig the ditches, buy great companies at reduced prices and hold. That's all you can do. There's no direction. It's not an all-out bear market. It's not sell, like Jim Cramer says, and it's no buy, like Jim Cramer says either. It's not up all day. It's just going sideways. I'm off to play Xbox. Market is closed. Time to shut down until Monday. Love all the family. Well, there you go. You could go off and play Xbox, or you could just stay and enjoy company with your friends. That's fine. You choose to be on your own in the dark corner on an Xbox playing with strangers. You carry on. You do whatever you like. Mike, and there are no trends anymore. There are no trends. There are trends here. We got trends all the time. I don't think my portfolio has been out of the red since I went on the ship all those months ago. But have you been buying the dips, Bubble? Have you just been sitting around doing nothing? Probably. Although I did take advantage of the Bitcoin crash. You did. Have you removed it, though? I put mine yesterday, live on the show. Who wants to see the inside of my ledger? Who wants to see it? Anybody? There we go. Ledger. Enter the pin. Enter the pin. I don't want to enter my pin. I don't want to enter that in case everyone's watching. But like, what we did here, battery, power off. There we go, powered off. Looks like someone's at the door. I can hear someone. There's somebody at the door. Remember that? Rod, Oll, and Emu. Yeah, have you removed it? Because all those exchanges are going down the toilet. Martin, if you've gone down, if you'd gone all in 2010, do you think you'd be buying at sale prices now? No. No, of course not. If I'd gone all in 2010, I wouldn't need to. I'd be so far up. No, I wouldn't. I know what my objectives are. I'm not trying to beat the market, but the richest man in the world. All I want to do is get to $100,000 by the end of this year, which is still doable, and $200,000 all time. That's all I want to do. Because I have no mortgage, no car loan. That's enough for me to live on. With the standard of living I want and what I can earn on YouTube, that's all I need. So, if I'd have bought in 2010, made a load of money, and down 50, 60, 70, 80%, I wouldn't care. Because I would have made so much money on all my original investments, it wouldn't matter to me. And I've got lots of very wealthy friends who did buy Amazon, Tesla at the bottom of the market when it first came out. And they're not selling either. They're just sat there. However, there are some people in their 80s, even older, who have sold everything and they're just sitting on cash in the bank earning a nice little bit of interest. Everyone has a different perspective. For me, I came in at the top of the market after the biggest bull run in history with COVID. So I was, in the worst time. But that's the best time because you learn the best lessons. You don't learn anything if it goes right all the time. You learn when it goes wrong. And ever since I came in, it's been going down and down and down. But I've survived. I'm still here, still in the game, and eventually I'm going to turn up. It's all perspective. You're absolutely right, 22. You couldn't be more correct. Mark Coyne's laughing and crying. I have no idea why. All right, I'll stay. Yes. What's the option? Sit in the corner and play with yourself. Nothing wrong with playing with strangers. Yeah, but he's not playing with strangers, Bubble. He's playing with himself. He's playing with his book. Yes, I made money. Good. Bye, Mark. No, he's not going, Patty. He's not going. The inside of your what? The doc saw that yesterday. The inside of your... Oh, terrible. What a thing to say. You could be Morticia, Mum. There you go. Watch Fed and CPI reports. That's next week, right? Not now. I'm not missing anything, have I? It's Jamie. No, it's not. The ledger, waste of time. The ledger is a waste of time. Drillion, why is the ledger a waste of time? Why is ledger a waste of time? I would like your thoughts on why the ledger is a waste of time. Made me feel guilty. Now I'll stay for a while. Yes. Stephen Lewandowski, cool. And is Haggard's stay with a haunted family? Scrolling down. That's why I am happy in the markets playing with profit, says Stephen. There you go. Yes, what the bloody hell, Mike? Yes, Ed. Next week will be interesting. Fed minutes on Wednesday. The Fed minutes on Wednesday. Yes, we will be there for that, of course, tuning in for that. So what do you mean, Drillion, when you say that the ledger is a waste of time? What is a waste of time about removing your crypto from an exchange? And to be clear, when we talk about moving crypto, I think it's worth saying, because not everyone understands, my crypto is not on here. My crypto will never be on here. My crypto is on the blockchain. It lives there. It doesn't go anywhere. When I sell it, someone else owns it on the blockchain. All that is on here are the keys to access it, as opposed to Robinhood holding the keys. That is all. That is all is on here. Anyway, I'm waiting for Drillion to come back. Let's have a quick look and let's see if Danny West... Danny's still in here. Danny, what are you doing? I'm going to text him. Because he's like in the show saying nothing. And I want to know what's going on. Danny West. Are you still watching? There we go. I've just texted him. Are you still watching? I know he's in here. Anyway. Do Robinhood not treat crypto the same as shares, segregated client account? Hey, no, brother, had to jump off. Okay. Got to head out to a meeting. Okay. As you're still in the chat. That explains why you didn't answer. All right, there we go. Okay. So, yes, next week is important going into tax season as well. Yes, last December we saw a lot of people sell to register losses. People could do that, to register losses, to go against tax. All sorts of different reasons play out in December. All different situations play out. Yeah, I don't know, 22. Do Robinhood not treat... All I know is this. Robinhood in their disclosures say this. Up to $250,000, your assets are insured, protected by SEC rules, insured up to $250,000. Well, obviously, I don't have $250,000, so that's fine. My shares, I own my shares, and they're protected, insured, and so on and so forth. However, it says crypto is not insured and is vulnerable. And as I understand it, they own the keys, they own the crypto. They don't own the crypto, it's mine, but they own the crypto. So should they disappear or something happen, then I've got no access to that crypto. So as I understand it, it's best if you're not trading. Remember, every time you take it on and off, move it in and out of an exchange. Remember, the crypto lives on the blockchain, doesn't go anywhere. But if you put the keys in and out of an exchange, it costs you a little bit, and it cost me 13 cents. So there's no point doing it if you only have $1 of Bitcoin. All right. I had about, at this time, I've only got about $530. So I took it off, paid my 13 cents, and I'll pay probably another 13 cents to put it back. Only reason to do that is if I am trading or I wish to sell it or whatever. Buying more doesn't matter. If I want to buy more, I can go into my Bitcoin. Here, look, you can see, look, I've only got 149. It's all gone. It's all gone. I transferred it. It's all gone. I can buy some more. It'll be in here. And then I can transfer again if I want to. My average is now 18,203. Anyway, really need Branson to start moving Virgin Galactic. Bubble, guess where I was last month? Guess where I was? I came to the UK. I was in Cornwall for a month, and I filmed the landing of Cosmic Girl at Virgin Orbit Space Station in Cornwall, in Newquay. I was there. Oh, yes. Has been very lazy. I need to make money from the stock. I tell you what I'll do. I'll have a word with him and see if he can do something about it, just for you. How about that? You went to the spaceport. Yes. Nice to see that you're paying attention, watching the videos. Nice to see you paying attention. Playlist, look, Virgin Orbit. Vorb. Yeah, it's nice to see it. View full playlist. Here. There, look. There I am in Newquay, Cornwall. There's the airport. There I am. As it landed, I was there live interviewing the Times, Channel 4. We thought Richard Branson came in because a private helicopter came in, but he wasn't on it. Anyway, Virgin Orbit playlist on the channel. Go and check it out. Stop being so lazy. So in the UK, brokers must hold clients' assets in a segregated client company, which means if the institution goes bust, your money is safe. If it's not the case for banks, which is why the government issues it. Okay, so in the UK, brokers must hold client assets in segregating client company, which means if the institution goes bust, your money is safe. It's not the case for banks, which is why the government insures it. Okay, thanks for that, 22. All I can say is it says that Bitcoin is at risk. Where does it? How do they actually explain it? Here we go. I will share with you exactly what I was talking about. Right, this is what I mean. Martin, question. How does Trader of the Day work? I have 5 accounts for PTD rule, one paper account. How do I participate? Is it day traders or long? It's just your overall position on your overall portfolio. I only have one portfolio. My overall position is down 0.98, as you can see on the screen. If you have multiple accounts, I guess you just pick one. But it's the overall position on the day. That's kind of how we do it. All right, let me share this on the screen with you. So, there you go. Cryptocurrencies offered by Robinhood Crypto LLC. So there you go. It is a separate company, 22. So that might come into what you're talking about. Are not securities and are not FDIC insured or protected by SIPC, whereas your shares are. You can learn more in the help center for Robinhood Crypto. So there you go. So Robinhood LLC and Robinhood Crypto LLC is a separate company. So that's part of what you're talking about. But those securities are not insured by the FDIC or protected by the SIPC. Make sense? Okay. So for that reason, I took it off the exchange. I don't know why Drillian said it's no good. But he never came back and answered that. So they do not segregate crypto, or if they go bust, your crypto is gone. So 22 is saying, so they do not segregate crypto. So if they go bust, your crypto is gone. Hence why what happened with FTX, Crypto.com, Coinbase, all these companies, if they go bust and your money is on the exchange, you lose it. FTX, everyone lost their money, right? So taking it off makes sense. If you buy it, take it off. You know, your stocks and shares are covered. It's just sensible. It costs you nothing, right? It costs you nothing. It's free. Not the Coinbase wallet. No, the wallets are different. Once you remove it, I need to be absolutely clear. You have Coinbase, Crypto.com, whoever you buy your asset, you have the exchange, you have the wallet. If you take your money off Coinbase exchange and put it in your Coinbase wallet, your wallet's fine. Wallets are separate and safe. They are separate. That's your wallet, your crypto. A wallet, an online wallet, is just like my ledger. The difference between an online wallet, it's called a hot wallet and a cold wallet. This is a cold wallet or an offline wallet as opposed to a hot wallet or an online wallet. The difference is if it's offline, not connected to anything, it's more secure. You can't hack it. It's not connected. Well, theoretically, in principle, you can't hack a wallet, but if it's online, anything can happen, right? So what people often do, the right thing to do is buy your crypto on an exchange, which you have to do, and then you transfer it. So Coinbase wallet, just stick it in your Coinbase wallet. The wallet's fine. If you then want to spend it in and out every day buying NFTs, you leave it in your online wallet. If, however, like me, you just want to store it, like lock it away in a vault and leave it there, and it actually is a good way of like discipline. Someone mentioned this yesterday. I think it was Ali Tisro. He said if you put your money on a cold wallet, you'll forget about it and leave it. Chances are then you won't sell it. You'll just hold it forever. Maybe it'll go up. And maybe this scare. I always try to see every opportunity, every bad thing as an opportunity. With FTX collapsing, it was great. All the crooks, the scammers is great. Not sad. It's not good for the people who lost their money. Hence why you need to remove your money. But it's now making people realize we need legislation and regulation, number one, which is good. And also, if you take it off and put it on a hard wallet, you're more likely to just store it and think of it as some sort of gold bar. And I actually do. I actually feel that little thing there is like a gold bar. It's only $500. That's all I've got. But that $500 it's not subject to anything. Now, of course, the crypto that lives on the blockchain is still going up and down in value. If it goes to $1 million, I've got $1 million. If it goes to zero, I've got zero. It's still going up and down by its actual true, its value. But I feel isolated from it, and I just think I just lock it away. And isn't that the point of owning Bitcoin anyway? Anyway. Let's have a look. Lose that stick and you're screwed. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Lose the stick and you're screwed. But, it's not something you carry around, is it? You stick it in your ear, you push it right down in there, and you just leave it there. Don't go anywhere. Leave it alone. On the balance sheet equals gone if they go bust. That's correct. It's important to know how your assets are held by a custodian. If they are on their balance sheet, you should move them elsewhere. On the balance sheet equals gone if they go bust. Am I right in saying, 22? Am I right in saying if Robinhood went bust tomorrow, I still own shares in Tesla, Microsoft, so on. It's got nothing to do with Robinhood. Am I right? Am I right? That number on the screen is the value of my shares. Robinhood are just displaying it. Robinhood made money when I bought and sold my shares. They make money if you've got margin. They make money from your Robinhood Gold. They're not making money anymore from me other than Robinhood Gold, interest on loans or whatever it might be, right? My shares are my shares. If Robinhood, the app, suddenly tomorrow morning disappears, my shares of my companies still exist. How would I get them back? I'm assuming that as a publicly limited public company with rules and regulations, someone would step in and say, right, Robinhood's gone bankrupt, but here's all your shares. We're transferring them to Webull or eTORO or Schwab or whoever, and you still own these shares. You still own these companies. I'm assuming that's what happens. Anyway, someone might like to explain that to me. Let's have a little look. Correct. There's a guy in the UK who has raised millions from investors to look for a hard drive lost in a landfill. I heard about that. About $1 billion in Bitcoin. Isn't it awful? My CFX is doing really well. My investment is now at $7,000 from an initial $500. CFX. I hope you're posting all that, Bubble, because you've still got your wonderful Discord channel to share with everybody. Let me just remind everybody, Bubble has his very own, there it is, Bubble Durex, no, Bubble Durex, Bubble Forex, I don't know where that came from, I thought that's quite funny, Bubble Forex, he's got his Bubble Forex over here, look, so if you click on it, it's one of the members' channels, here it is, look, has he been posting? No, not since March. Hello everyone, here's my exchange. Look, people replied and he couldn't even be bothered to reply back. Look, he's over there, look, he's not engaging. He's not engaging with anybody. He's just, you know, not engaging. You've got to engage. Anyway, he's not engaging. Just pointing that out. It's time to end the show, isn't it? We're way over time. Government currencies will be trash in the future. Government currencies will be trash in the future. CFX for trading. It's whoever your broker is makes your orders and manage it. It's whoever your broker is that manages your orders and manages it. This is the difference. If they held in a nominee account, as they are in the UK, they are your assets. If they are on Robinhood's balance sheet, but the value is insured by the government, if they are on Robinhood's balance sheet, but the value is insured by the US government up to $250,000, it sounds like all client assets are actually on Robinhood's balance sheet, but insured by the US government up to $250,000. This is illegal in the UK. They must not be on the balance sheet, but held in segregated account. Okay, Robinhood is for play money. I don't see my money as play money, so I can't be agreeing with that. I don't see my money as play money. What's all that about? Certainly don't see that. Let's have a little look. This is why you must not have more than 200 grand in your Robinhood account. Well, I wouldn't. Once I got to that much, I'd be moving it into something very different. Not being in since I went on the ship. Well, that's not very good, is it? Ignoring the family. That's why my serious investment are not on Robinhood. They are managed by Morgan Stanley, Church of Logic. Bit hard to engage with crappy ship's internet. You know what ship's internet is like. No, I don't. Know nothing about it. Don't get me involved. Don't get me involved in your laziness. Don't bring me into it. Robinhood is for play money. Bloody hell. It sounds like all client assets, we talked about that, correct? That's why they're not in the UK yet. I bet this is why Robinhood cannot easily launch in the UK. It is totally different from a regulatory point of view. All right. I think we are done. Is it time for Day Trader of the Day? Is it? Is it time for Day Trader of the Day? It is, isn't it? It is time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's find out Day Trader of the Day. Okay. Let's bring everybody up to date. Click the live button under the video. Make sure you're live. Click the little red button. And let's do Day Trader of the Day. I'm out. I'm up 4.25%. Right. Hang on. We ain't done it yet. We got to run a commercial break and then we got to do it. Here we go. Here's the break. Skip the ad. Come right back. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. Okay. Right, here we go. I am down 1%. I didn't quite make the green, did I? Down 1.01%. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Let's bring everybody up to date. And let's do Day Trader of the Day. You ready? All right, here we go. Down 1.01. Okie dokie. Down 1.19. Very, very nice. Good weekend, everyone. Thank you, Churchy. Down 0.25. Down 1.94. So from Bubble. I can't. It's so lovely to have him back, isn't it? It's so lovely. Up 3.77. Church of Logic up 0.96. Church of Logic is going to smash it out of the park today. Smash it out of the park. I believe a Bubble a couple of days ago, I was up, what was it, 20, what was that, 27% or something before the last couple of days. Couldn't believe it. Best ever day, Bubble. I was like this. I was a rock star of trading the other day. All right, let's ring the bell. Let's Church wins. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed, Church. Give him a thumbs up, and let's give him the sound effects. All right, there we go. Congratulations, Church. Now then, at Bubble, while you've been gone, we released a newsletter which does a free cash prize draw every single Friday. And to be in it, what we do is we send out a newsletter every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. It's a free newsletter. It's secure. You can unsubscribe at any point and never use your email for anything. I wouldn't even know how to. I just send you this email every week, and that's it. Here is the email. It's sponsored this week by Ali Tisro. If anyone does a $10 super chat, you can sponsor next Sundays. If you want to sponsor it, you've got a minute to go to put a $10 super chat in. You can sponsor your YouTube channel or your business, your charity, anything you want. Bubble, if you wanted to sponsor a link to your Forex channel, that's fine. I'll do a paragraph of information, a thumbnail, a picture, and a link. It's just $10 in the super chat. It's sponsored this week by Ali Tisro. He's doing a charity fundraiser for Zach in Uganda. There is the newsletter. Sign up for it. Once you've clicked on it, it'll bring you to this page here. You put your email in, and you need to verify. Here's your email. Here. Stick it in there, subscribe. Now, the verification email will go straight into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. The email you're looking for to search for is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. There it is. There is the email in the chat. Search for that, verify it, make sure that you've put it in your inbox rather than junk. And on Sunday, you will receive the newsletter with the competition video for next Friday. Good, isn't it? And like today, if less than 10% of the people who receive the newsletter enter the competition, we open it up to my public on TikTok. But if it's above 10%, it is reserved especially for my newsletter readers. All right? Okie dokie. That's it. Only use one account, Ed. I do the same. I have 5 accounts. There we go. I think Stephen Lewandowski is behind the show. He's answering questions that happened 15 minutes ago. So what one to pick? Change them constantly. Think not fair. Well, that's your fault. If you have so much money, you have so many accounts, I'm sorry. We're just a little channel for people with no money. You know, we only have one account. Just subbed with my SG email. Great. Did you get the verification email? No point just subbing it. You need the verification email. Did you get the verification email and did you click on that? And you will receive it 2 p.m. GMT, right on the second, 2 p.m. If by 2:05 you've got no email, go and look in your junk folder and it will be in there. If you've not got it, it means you didn't verify and you can try and verify again and you'll receive it the following Sunday. If you miss the deadline, it won't send it out again. You've got to make sure you've verified. All right, searching for the email now. Okie dokie. And what you're looking for is the daytrader@martynlucas.com. Right. So, if anybody wants to sponsor next week's newsletter, you can. I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. It's a $10 super chat. You can sponsor it, and it'll go for next Sunday. This Sunday's booked. You done it. Brilliant. Brilliant. There you go. If anybody wants to sponsor it, you got 46 seconds if you want to go, yeah, I want to do it, $10. It now goes to, I think, 290 people, 60% open rate. So it's great value, and it's going up all the time. All right? I'll end the clock because you can count 30 seconds down, right? Let's roll the credits. It's time to go. I will see you all back on Monday. Thank you very much for those of you that checked out the new songs on my channel. Thanks to all of you who did that. So a couple of new songs on the music channel this weekend, and that was for this weekend. That was fun. The Road to Hell and Return of Ukraine, my 2 songs that went out on the music channel. Anyway, that's it. I just need someone to say, roll the credits. And we are done for another week. Next week, we're looking at the CPI minutes. And have a good weekend. All cheers, Martyn. Thank you very much for everybody. We've done well. We've grown. We've all made money. We've made more friends. We've hit 31,000 followers on TikTok. Absolutely incredible. Is it 30.9? I can't remember now. I'm in London tomorrow till Wednesday. Why are you telling me that? Are you telling me you're not going to be here again? You go for 6 months, you come back for a day, and then you bugger off again. All right. Well, you're still a member. So, by the way, Bubble, from next week, people are going to start turning gold members, gold badges. We've got, you start at blue, you go to green, you then go to yellow, and then you go to gold, and gold is 1 year old, which is like, I think next week or the week after, and then we go to red when you've been a member for 27 years. All right. So anyway, roll the credits. Thank you very much for saying it. I can't believe Believe said that. Bubble said that. It's normally Mike who says that, or Stephen Lewandowski. Anyway, let's roll the credits. I'm going to get out of here. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. Roll the credits. Let's see. I think it's going to be a rubbish credits. No one did a super chat. All right, let's have a little look. Roll the credits. Here we go. Stars of the show. Did we get any new subscribe? No, super chat. Stephen Lewandowski. Hey, Stephen Lewandowski. I've got a new member, Danny West. Danny West became a member today. Thank you, Danny. That's the DJ, of course, from the Dallas Cowboys, who wants to book me on a tour across Texas. How exciting. Became a member. Hopefully he enjoyed his song. He disappeared into a meeting. He'll text me later and tell me, we've changed our mind. You weren't that good. I thought you were the world piano man, and you're pretty average, really. Anyway, we'll find out. But anyway, that's it from me. Thanks for being here. I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend. Be nice to each other. Be good. Don't do anything wrong. That's it, really. Look out for the newsletter on Sunday. I've got nothing to say, really. I'm not inspired. Most of you wasn't inspiring. I was inspired for about a minute when Bubble came in, but then he said he's going away next week, so I thought, no point delving into that too much, is there, really? Just popping in, popping out. It's not worth the bother. Anyway, YouTube clip. What's that? What's the YouTube clip? Too late, Bubble. It's too late. The show's finished. I'm not even going to look at it. I love this show. Dexter Sickles. and get your bum checked. No, my bum's fine. There's no more checking of the bum. My bum is fine. Nobody click on Bubbles' thing. It came too late. No one click on it. He's trying to promote his YouTube channel. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't click on it. Don't click on his channel. Believe a Bubble. He's coming in here just to promote his YouTube channel. I'm supposed to do that, but he came in at the end. It's inspiring. Martyn, good night. See you later. I love this show. How's that? How's that what? Take care of the family. Have a nice weekend. Another cruise, Bubble. It's inspiring. What's inspiring? There's nothing inspiring about this, mate. Not a chance. Right, that's it. I'm going to time this perfectly. You ready? See you back on Monday. Have a wonderful evening. Take care of yourselves and eat.